What's up, my non-believers? And in today's video, we're gonna be playing Animal Company. We're with the main channel. You all know him, Astro79350, and we don't really have a plan for this.
Heck, by the way.
Yeah, he did. Anyway,
we're just gonna be playing Animal Company now.
okay. Anyway, that didn't happen. Where do you want to go first?
Mines.
Mines are bed. Nope. Oh. No.
I'm sorry.
I almost hit you. Hey, what does this say?
Arachnophobia warning.
Give me 1 second.
Shortcut. DANGR. Shortcut. Alright, let's take the shortcut. So, this is the shortcut. Alive. There's so much ketchup right there. How is he not dead? Alright, Dad. I'm gonna come with you. Oh, I'll be right back. What did I just come back to? Oh crap, wait, I completely forgot to change my boundary, because remember last time it was in the way. Give me 1 second, guys. Stop taking photos! I hate it when you like accidentally take a photo.
Dude.
Behind us, blood god. Check this out. You know, if you just throw the Hulk hammer at something, it will just launch it. Check this. Oh, yo!
Oh my god.
Oh god!
He's in the wall.
Honestly, when I log into my Meta account, or honestly, when I log into my YouTube account on VR, I might start a live stream when I can. Yes. Tape.
I already have it.
Wait, speed, please! See, they won't attack me just yet. They take like a few seconds, so I'll be fine like until...
You wanna go mess with the worm?
Yeah.
I gotta get a backpack, hold on.
I hear a boing boing. I need to get the oh yeah. We need to be extremely cautious around every corner. God! Boing boing! Boing boing! Please! I dodged him. I dodged him. I dodged him! And I found the exit. Actually, I probably should say that. I probably should say that. Oh, cancel. I'm gonna just cut myself out. Cause I can do that. I'm good like that.
Hey, I have a question.
Yeah.
Can you revive me?
I mean, I did. Can't see. I can't see. Where was my items? They're here? No.
Over there,
Can't see. Bad timing! You have to see what? Right there. Oh! Oh, jeez it! I just was given too much night vision. Jeez, I thought I saw him spawn. I think it's like, so he went this way. And he went that way. And he went this way. Then he went that way. Then he's camping the exit. I'll take it. Jump up. Nah, I'm attacking it too. Oh. Yeah! Then he went this way. He went that way and this way. Yo, yo. Oh, chill! Yo, oh my god! Got humbled. You good over there? Should I unlazy my stupid boob butt and then like add subtitles to that? Bro, this stupid bomb scared me into thinking he was about to chase after me. What is this man on?
Hi, hey, this is 1 AM me. I'm currently editing this video and I still have no idea how he killed me.
Yo, what is that hitbox? Yo! Where is this man going? This man is lost! Oh.
I love this game.
Yo! I'm gonna dip before something else. Blind as hell. Ah, I'm blind as hell. Oh my god. My booty butt. No, do not risk it, Buster.
Alright.
I'm actually wondering where the hell she is, though. I have no idea. My buddy's down in the void. Just throw me down in there with it.
Bye bye, bro.
You want to hear it again? No! Speed, please! No! Oh my! No way I pulled that off. Yes, sir. Oh my god, I'm cracked! I'm cracked! Oh my god! Bro, not again. Bro, did you see what I did? I'm cracked. Did you? Yeah. Bro, what's up? How to put this up? The Capcom has an automatic release copyright audio.
Right, this is exactly 15 minutes, bro.
Actually?
Yeah.
What? Yeah, I'm done. So that will be it for today's video anyway. Hope y'all have a great day, and bye bye my non-believers.